Welcome to this week's Fighting Scots Sports Report. I am Tyler Trumbauer. The women's soccer team defeated Indiana University of Pennsylvania and Mansfield this past week to lock up a home playoff match in the quarterfinal round of the PSAC playoffs. Edinboro's quarterfinal match can be seen on not be seen on ETV, just heard on WFSC's 88.9, EdinboroNow.com, and the TuneIn app as well. For that one, as you can see, Edinboro will be facing number 5, Kutztown at Sox Harrison Stadium at 1 p.m. Also, if they win that one, they will be heading over to Gannon, Erie on this upcoming Friday. The women's volleyball team hit the road this past weekend looking to keep its winning streak alive. Boro defeated IUP and Clarion 3-1 for its 13th and 14th consecutive victories this season. Shallon Litweiler led the Scots with 11 kills against the Crimson Hawks, and Latoya Hutchinson led the offense on Saturday with 13 kills. The ladies' win on Saturday clinched them a PSAC playoff berth, its first since 2011. The ladies return to Macomb to host Slippery Rock next Tuesday, November 2nd for senior night at 7 p.m. Visit Mercyhurst on Friday and Gannon on Saturday. Speaking of senior recognition, the football team had senior day on Saturday before its 2015 home finale against Slippery Rock. These 5 seniors were honored pregame on Saturday, their final contest at Sox Harrison Stadium. SRU got the opening kick, zipped down the field, made it 7-0 with a 2-yard run from Shamar Green. There, the Rock made it 14-0 on its next drive with a short rush from Jameer Dutrell. Boro gets on the board via a 28-yard field goal, though, from Austin Reese on their next possession. A few drives later in the ball game, Boro coughs the ball up, but so does SRU on their first play of the next drive with Vic Hudson coming up with the recovery from the pile there. Devon Groves got the strip. Darren Massey had a day, 15 catches, as he was the leading receiver, for Edinboro there. Broke his single game record for 15 catches in a game. Alex Caratelli got the lone touchdown for Edinboro, but they lost 15-10. The Scots go winless at home for the first time since 1966. Edinboro visits Seton Hill on Saturday at noon. Edinboro's wheelchair basketball team opened up its 2015-16 campaign north of the border against the Canadian national teams. The Scots faced the women's team first on Saturday and won 70-45. Returning All-American Mike Adams was Boro's leading scorer, dropping 13 in the contest. Head coach Jim Glatch's group played the Canadian U23 team and won 50-44. And Blake led all scorers in the contest with 20 points. On Sunday, played 2 more games at Edinboro and lost both of them. The Scots are set to host the Boro Shootout this weekend in Macomb Fieldhouse. That's all for this week. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at ETV Sports to stay up to date on all the latest Boro athletic happenings.